Is the Fortis control trainer actually worth your money, or is it just another fitness scam? Let's get right into it. No fluff, just the facts and real user experiences as of April 2026. First up, Fortis is not some shady fly-by-night brand. It's a household name in affordable home fitness, sold by big retailers like Kogan and Dick Smith. They offer everything from treadmills to resistance bands to, yes, pelvic floor trainers. But here's where things get interesting. If you poke around reviews, especially for products like their magnetic elliptical cross trainer, you'll see ratings averaging a pretty low 2.7 out of 5 stars. Some users rave about the value, but a lot of people complain about things like loose joints, lumpy rollers, and even mechanical failures after just a few months. Not exactly confidence-inspiring, right? And then there's customer support. Folks are saying that once you have a problem, especially with sellers like Kogan, reaching support can feel like shouting into the void. Replacement parts? Troubleshooting help? For some, it's just radio silence. Now, if you're eyeing the Fortis Strength Adjustable Kegel Trainer, here's the scoop. Users do say it's easy to work into a daily routine, and the adjustable resistance is a real plus for targeting muscle tone and bladder control. But be warned, comfort isn't universal. Some find the seat awkward or the materials a bit flimsy. Bottom line, is Fortis a scam? No. But is it flawless? Also no. If you're on a tight budget and okay with some risk, it might be worth a try. But if you expect top-notch build quality and reliable support, you might want to invest a little more. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews.